birthday Howard, birthday Howard Shy, Kyle the Howard, Shirley Howard Shy, by Tom Kakadash, give honor to the elder, apostle of great military movement, and to their citation to the often I put to the truth, across the four corners of the earth, to the fear and power of Yahweh Shem Shai, of the hope for elect. If the word is really called God named Howard, if the word is really called Jesus Christ named Howard Shai. So the Hebrew Israelite that consists of the so-called Negro, Latinos, and Native American Indians. It is Mahari call for the great millstone like the end of the camp back from the elected. Alright. Now this is Esau at it again. Alright, the award-winning Penn State professor, Timus, or it might not be Esau. Right, dude might be Japanese. That is a true Swiftie fan, but not such a swift decision to steal those albums. Music, you don't have to do too much. Fucking his dog in the forest. He says he does it to blow off things. They police to shoot him during his arrest for determined allegations. Right, because he knew that was wrong. Alright. He did it. It's the #1 but he at the same time don't stop taking getting caught. He knew that he was wrong for doing that. Alright, because it's not natural for a man to have sex with a dog. Abnormal bleeding or have at all. Syndrome. While taking, you may bruise more easily. A spinal injection while on an abomination. Risk of blood clots, which may cause paralysis. This is worthy of death. Get medical help. And they should shut have shot it down. The police should have shot his ass up. It may increase your breathing risk if you take medicines such as aspirin, for whatever reason, you got arrested around incident. About all planned medical or dental procedures. Learn more at eloquist.com or call 1-855-ELOQUIST. The Kia Summer Sales Event is on now at Kia of Carson. 30-1. Yeah, but now they that are younger than I, and who is that? That's why you start eating, right? The so-called white people. Alright? You know, they're the last nation to come about. They tell your eyes in stock. Right? But now they that are younger than I have me in the region. Hurry in for the best selection. Whose father I have with the day that have stepped with the dog of my flock. The U.S. Small Business Administration can help. SBA wants to see you win. They want to see you grow. They have been so helpful and so resourceful. Thanks to the SBA, my business is thriving today. Make sure you get in touch with SBA, and you will definitely be on your way to a winning path. For your small business needs, go to sba.gov/start. All SBA programs and services are extended to the public on a non-discriminatory basis. Hi, everyone. I just heard this hot new song, and you'll never guess who it's from. Can't get the song out of my head? Gotta play it for you. Check it out. The Hebrew word is ma'ash. Alright, ma'ash. Alright. Now, to reject, despise, refuse. Okay, a vile person, basically a reprobate. Esau even was that vile person. Alright, see that vile person. Esau even was. Alright, that's stuff that you have to refuse. No way. It looks like they have a hit on their hands, and they did say only $49.99 a month for 300 megabit internet. That's something that you reject automatically. I don't know about you, but I'm switching. Okay. I'm calling 1-844. It's let's get to the law. 1-844-487-8431. Right now is the best time to get laser eye surgery. That's because Laser Eye Center, the most trusted leader in LASIK, with their state-of-the-art 4D technology, are having a limited time special so you can improve your vision and save money. Within the next 30 minutes, Laser Eye Center is setting up free consultations for a limited number of LASIK procedures at 50% off and just $59 per month with zero down and zero interest financing. Get rid of your irritating contacts and glasses. Start at only $59 per month with zero down and zero interest. For the next 30 minutes, Laser Eye Center is setting up free consultations for LASIK, cataracts, and dry eyes. Appointments for this special will fill up fast, so call within the next 30 minutes and get 50% off, zero interest financing, and your free custom consultation. Call now, 888 Lighter shall a woman stand before a beast to lie down thereof. It is confusion. So the NLT, a man must not defile himself by having sex with an animal. And that's what he did.
That's right, Los
Alright?
Angeles. Your
He
hometown cruise
defiled
line, Princess
himself
Cruises, sails
by having
year-round
sex
from
with an
LA to
animal.
Mexico, Hawaii, and so much
Okay?
more. Aboard Princess, you'll find
That's
award-winning
why the
dining
way
and
the
spectacular
Esau evil
production
has to be
shows.
put
And
out,
only on Princess can you enjoy the
has to be
medallion-class experience. So
eradicated
book
from the
now
face of
and
the
sail
earth.
from Los Angeles
To
for
have
just
other people
$70 per
doing
day.
this shit.
Visit princess.com, call
Alright?
1-800-PRINCESS, or contact your travel advisor to book. Princess
That a
Cruises.
woman
Come
must
feel
not
the love.
offer
Terms
herself
and
to a
conditions apply.
male
Full purchase of
animal
the unit registry.
to
Hi,
have
I'm a
intercourse
helpful
with
Southern
it.
California Honda
This is
person,
a
and this is what
perverse
happened when
act.
I called Teresa with a
Alright?
random
So
act of
either a
help.
man or a female
I work at a high
you
school,
must not lie
and
down with an
I'm the
animal.
school librarian.
Period.
I noticed there's a real need for new
So
books for our students,
you got
and
first
also
to be
to
put to
replace the
death.
books that have been lost or stolen. And during construction, we lost a great amount of books.
Oh, no.
So I'm asking if there's any way that we can have some
To
books
found out
for our
you
students to
yourself in
fill our
any of
shelves.
the things,
Well, that's
for
why
in
we're
all
going to
these
donate a
the
bunch of
nations are
books.
defiled,
Yay!
which
I'm
I
so
cast
glad.
out before
And
you, right? And
we're
that's
going to
all
pay
other
you for
nations.
sharing your story on the
Alright,
radio.
the so-called
That is
Chinese, the Japanese,
unreal, and I thank
the
you from the bottom of
Asians,
my heart.
alright, the
Today, we
Islanders,
helped restock the library,
the
and we can help you too with Honda Service
real
Pass.
Africans,
Free
the
factory
true
scheduled
Africans,
maintenance for 2 years or
alright,
24,000 miles, whichever comes
that's the
first.
so-called
It
white
comes
man.
included with all
All
2023
these
Hondas,
things
like the
that
Accord.
they do, they're
Visit
defiled, but we must not
SoCalHondaDealers.com
do.
and see your helpful
Alright,
SoCal
pertaining to
Honda
you
dealer for
so-called Negro
details.
Latino American Indians.
It's summer at Starbucks,
Okay?
where the brightest drinks and the
Is
funnest
it
flavors
that
are all yours for the sipping. So, whether you need to beat the heat, beat the crowd, or just take a beat, refreshing favorites are a tap away with the Starbucks app.
DDRV.com is California's largest RV location with 1,000 RVs ready
You
now.
better get
This
20
Friday through Monday at
and
Old Navy,
15.
grab summer styles for $2, $4, $6, and $8. Plus,
That
get
if
40%
a
off
man
everything
lie
else.
with
That's
a
40% off
beast,
everything for the
he
whole
shall
family.
surely
Hurry,
be
it's
put
this
to
Friday
death.
through Monday only at Old Navy.
And ye shall
Styles
slay the
623 through
beast.
626, select styles only.
Do that? So they both
Okay,
got to be put
all
to death,
sets up.
the
One
man
of my
and the
favorite
animal.
parts of 4th of July is finding
In
fun
the
styles for
NLT,
the
if a
family to
man
wear.
has sex
And
with an
Cole makes
animal,
it so
he
easy.
must be
I
put
thought
to
great deals
death,
on a
and
cute
the
skirt for
animal
me, some button-down
must
shirts
be
for my
killed.
husband,
So they
and
both got to be
adorable
killed
shorts
because
and dresses for my
they're
kids.
both
Plus,
defiled.
I got us all season
There's
savings
nothing
and
you
saved
can
an
do with
extra
that animal
20% on
after it has sex
everything.
with
So,
a
for summer
human.
style and savings,
Okay?
get to Kohl's. Select styles, 20% offer ends June 25th. Some exclusions apply. See store or Kohl's.com for
Alright,
details.
let's see.
This update is brought to you by Stanley Pest Control.
It's Mike Simpson here from KNX News 97.1 FM. Don't look now, but almost July, and we've been doing pretty good so far when it comes to not having major wildfires. Another Metro bus driver stabbed, this time in Venice. Gas prices still going down, and allergy season lasting longer. For news, it's KNX News, the voices you trust, now on 97.1 FM. Bees are buzzing and termites are swarming. Since 1945, Stanley Pest Control has been protecting homes from all types of destructive critters. For a free inspection, visit StanleyPest.com. That's StanleyPest.com. Contact Stanley Pest Control today.
Keep 94.7 The Wave on, even past Palmdale, Riverside, and Lake Elsinore when you download the Odyssey app. AUDACY.
The Wave.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I already covered the laws, what happens when a man and an animal have sex with each other. They shall both be put to death, man. So like this dude right here, he should be put to death, and the dog. You can't. There's nothing you can do with that dog now. So they must be both put to death. I just want to do a quick video on that to the parent. So with that, hope it was edifying to the parent party. God bless outside. Watch out, Kakadash, the Holy Spirit. So with that, shalom.